Hello everyone. Yeah, one of the things that Excel can can do for us is to track our inventory, right? And this is one of the activities of the supply chain. Now let's take for example a case of a beverage manufacturing industry, right? And then you have these raw materials listed here, right? And their quantity. So you want to know, as a part of these items are dispensed to support manufacturing, to support production. You want to have an insight into what is left, right, in the inventory. And then you are not using a dedicated software to help you with this. So you want Microsoft Excel to help you with it, right? So I have on my screen now, you look at this part of the screen. It will show you, in stock will show you what is left out of this, as you dispense, and out of stock will tell you what you have used up, so that you can quickly order for more to restock your inventory. You don't want to get stranded at any point of production. So how do we do this, right? Now here we have the item names, all of them here. You have the quantity remaining, right? And the quantity remaining is taken from these two columns you have here. This is the total you have, and then as you use them up, right? As you use them up, this quantity remaining will reduce, right? If you use 1,000 from this 10,000 you have here, this will reduce to 9,000, right? Now this is all we do, and we are supposed to have what is left on this column, right? So this is in stock. So I'm going to use, to quickly do that. There are so many functions that can be used, but today I'm going to show you how your filter function can help you to do that. So I'm going to write the function out here, right? Equals to filter, right? Call out the argument, and then you have your array. So on the array, you are going to put all the items that you have in stock, right? Put it on that, and that is item name. And I'm going to say I'm going to select it, and for so that I don't have issue at the end of the day, I'm going to lock it. I lock with F4, right? Now say comma. Now include, for include syntax, I'm going to put the quantity remaining. So and of course that's it. I'm going to select it down the same way. I'm going to lock it with F4, and I'm going to say quantity. I will have the item in stock if the quantity remaining is greater than 0. Do you understand that? If the quantity remaining is greater than 0, of course, I've just selected the quantity remaining, and I'm going to say greater, right, than 0, right? And I'm going to close the bracket to say that filter this column, and then if this quantity is greater than 0, it means the quantity, the item has not been used up, right? So you list it here for me. I'm going to say okay, right? And you can see already I have all the items. None of these items, has been used up. All of them are greater than 0. That's why I have them here. So I have my items that are still in stock here. But then on this out of stock, I'm still going to use the same filter, and I'm going to say filter, right? Array. I'm going to put that also, right? I'm going to lock it same way, comma, and where I have quantity, I'm going to put quantity, and this time around I'm going to say, of course, let me lock it. So I'm going to say if my quantity is less than or equals to, we could have as well just say that if this equals to 0, right? But then, and that's, let's just leave it at that. If it is equals to 0, let it show that that item is out of stock, right? If the quantity of the item is equals to 0, it means that item is out of stock, and I'm going to have it there, right? Now on this point, this column here, quantity used, is where I'm going to say, okay, I want to use this, I want to use that, I want to use that. So for example, if the raw milk that I need, for my production, I have come to take, this is in liter, right? Of course, they're all in their own quantity, which is not shown here. But then let's say out of the 10,000 liters that I have in stock, I have come to take 2,000 liters, right? I've come to say 2,000 liters. What can you see? You will see that the raw material here has reduced, the quantity remaining has reduced to 800. And because it is not up to 0 yet, I still have raw milk, right, remaining. But then let's come to here where I have emulsifier, right? And I've come to take 50 emulsifier, right? And what do you see? You will see that emulsifier has been used up. And because the quantity is now 0, it shows on the out of stock that the emulsifier is out of stock. And this will quickly prompt my attention, to call on who I am supposed to call on to say that, oh, I am out of stock for emulsifier. Please restock for me. And if I come here also, I used my tartaric acid, and I used 500 tartaric acid in install. As you can see that tartaric acid is used up, and I have it listed here to say that, oh, we do not have tartaric acid again, right? Please stock tartaric acid forward. For my sanitizer, of course, they are still working, and the sanitizer are being used, and then I've used 200, of course, 200. Now I'm left with 100, and my sanitizer is still around here because it is still in stock. But if later I come and they will say, oh, we have used the 200 and we need more, and I come to take 100, right? Oh, what happened? I come to take, we had 200 before, I come to take 100, then I have 300 now, right? So you can see that my sanitizer is now used up and is now showing on the out of stock list to say that it is out of stock, right? So this is another good way for you to track your inventory, right? You could go ahead to apply this in a way that will be convenient for you. But then this is how a filter function can help you manage your inventory, right? Stay glued to this channel, right? We'll show you multiple ways by which you can use your Microsoft Excel to perform so many industrial operations, and get you closer also to becoming a better data analyst, and help you to the use of SQL, Microsoft Power BI, and Microsoft Excel. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.